Well guys, in my next project, as you guys can see, I am gonna be removing and replacing the oil pan. For whatever reason, Jeep made oil pans that don't have a drainage. The aftermarkets do have one. I actually Googled and researched. Jeep said that the reason they did that is because they feel that the drainage on the very bottom could, while off-roading, could hit a rock or whatever. Makes absolutely no sense as you have that cover. And I'm pretty sure it'll hit this before it'll hit the pan. But yeah, we're here and we're going to replace it. Plus it has like a leak, and I'm guessing it's the gasket, so we'll see. So yeah guys, I took off all the screws except the last two on the back. I cracked the oil pan open and I'm letting it drip slowly so I don't make a mess, even though it's very close to a mess. You have to be careful. Remember, there is no drain plug, therefore you have to take your time to avoid a mess. Okay, so while I wait for this filter over here, I'm installing the pickup filter. The OEM one came with this little gasket there. So I grabbed the 18mm socket, fits perfect, and gave it a few taps with the hammer. It's not rubber, so it's kind of hard to go in, but once I do that, it's pretty simple from there on. You grab your new filter. One hand again. You push this in, clicks, and then you put the T25 bolt back in here, and your OEM filter is installed. Also at this time, let me fix the light. I grabbed the razor, cleaned the surface where the gasket is going. The last person who did this oil change used silicone and made a gasket that way. So I'm gonna go grab a towel and a razor, keep cleaning it, make sure that the mating surface is clean so we don't have no leaks. And now you just have to refill it with the OEM fluid and take your time. This process, the fluid goes down really slow. And yep, that's it. Yep. At this point, you just have to fill it with the OEM fluid, 6 quarts. Take your time. As you can tell, this goes down really slow. Yep. Then after that, you measure it, make sure you have enough, and that's it. Well, yeah, guys, just a heads up, when you do the transmission flush or change the transmission fluid, I only bought 6 quarts of the OEM fluid. And when I swapped it, right, and I poured my 6 quarts in, I spun it around the block. Not a long drive at all, just, you know, so the transmission can function and the oil could go where it has to go. I was slow. I had to go pick up I picked up 2 extra quarts and poured 1 quart that was missing because it wouldn't even register on the dipstick. So just keep in mind that you might have to, you know, kind of keep an eye on that for the next couple of days while you're driving the car and everything. So the fluid will go down and you will have to top it all to the appropriate settings of your vehicle.